What's up YouTube, and welcome to my Recycling Center computer build. Let's start off with the motherboard. We got a mini ATX motherboard with a LGA 1155 socket with a Pentium G630 with 2 GB of DDR3 RAM. We have a Samsung made hard drive with 160 GB of storage. We got this pretty much generic looking case that I found at the recycling center. We have the only thing that's not from the recycling center, my old gaming power supply. Has the 80 plus stamp. It's kind of overkill at 500 watts because this is not going to be a gaming build, so I'll probably downgrade the power supply in the near future. It's just because the one I got from the recycling center had the old power connectors, so I couldn't deal with that, so I wanted the newer one, so this has to work for now. And then got your run-of-the-mill DVD rewritable, so that's what that looks like. So now we got everything into place. Let's get started. I forgot to connect the CPU power cable and also the fan cable. Epic fail. Here we go YouTube, and it's complete. I only got the power lead to the pin header, or I should say the power button. I didn't really want to get the reset button, speaker, and all those because that was kind of a pain in the ass to get in there. And I ran out of screws, so I only put 2 screws holding the power supply. I'll put the other 2 when I find them. I'm probably going to try to install Linux, and maybe I'll put XP on here too, just to dual boot it, just because I like XP. Even though it's outdated, I just like that nostalgic charm of XP back like when it first came out. But yeah, that's all I got for now. But until part 2, thanks for watching.